Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare My Singing Monsters versus Incredibox. We'll explore their core mechanics, creative possibilities, and overall user experience. Get ready to dive into two distinct musical worlds and see how they stack up against each other. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what each game offers for aspiring music makers and casual players alike. My Singing Monsters involves collecting and breeding a vast array of creatures, each contributing a specific sound to your island's song. You manage resources and strategically place monsters to create complex melodies. In contrast, Incredibox offers a more immediate experience. You simply drag and drop characters onto the stage, and they instantly contribute to a beatbox track, allowing for quick and intuitive music creation. When it comes to creative freedom, My Singing Monsters lets you design entire musical islands, arranging monsters and decorations to craft unique soundscapes. The depth of monster combinations offers endless possibilities for intricate compositions. Incredibox, while more focused, provides distinct musical styles, or versions, each with its own set of sounds and visual aesthetics. This allows for diverse beatbox creations within a structured framework. My Singing Monsters is perfect for those who love collecting, managing resources, and building up their musical empire over time. It offers a deep progression system and a charming world. Incredibox, on the other hand, is fantastic for anyone seeking instant musical gratification and a simple, yet powerful, tool for beatbox creation. It's great for quick sessions and exploring different styles. Also, for some amazing deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below. Both games deliver unique and enjoyable musical journeys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.